So a quick follow-up to the last video is I got a great question. The question was, what if we just added a at Webex, just in Outlook that added an at Webex with the same scenario, would I still get the green button? And the answer, as you can see, if you can see on the video, is yes. So I just created this meeting. I didn't do anything with Spark at all. I just did at Webex. I scheduled the meeting, and then as you can see, the Room Kit has the big green button. Now, what I didn't show you before is the green button comes up first. Okay, so when you walk in the room, there is going to be the green button, period. What I showed you last time, I had already kind of went back to the home screen, is at the home screen you get call, and then in the meetings, or call, share, and then meetings. But it will be at the meetings, in the meetings, and the green button will display itself on the kiosk or on the Spark board. So just wanted to clear that up.